Have you ever seen a word that doesn't sound like it looks? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, at She's Fluent English Academy, we'll help you tackle one of the trickiest words in English, kernel. By the end of this video, you'll be saying it like a pro. I know it can be frustrating when you see a word like kernel and wonder, how am I supposed to say this? But guess what? You're taking the first step toward mastering a difficult word, and that's something to be proud of. Learning pronunciation isn't just about getting the sounds right. It's about gaining confidence and feeling great when you speak English. Correct pronunciation makes a huge difference in communication. When you say a word correctly, it boosts your confidence, helps others understand you better, and shows that you've mastered an important skill. And when it comes to words like kernel, which look tricky but are common in the English language, getting it right really sets you apart. Now, let's break it down. Kernel is spelled C-O-L-O-N-E-L, but it's pronounced kernel. It may sound odd at first, but with a little practice, it'll roll off your tongue. Why does it sound so different from how it's spelled? It's because the word came from French and Italian, where the pronunciation evolved. But don't worry. After today, it won't trip you up again. Let's say it together. Kernel. Perfect! You've just nailed one of the hardest English words to pronounce. Now, use it in a sentence. The Colonel gave an inspiring speech. Feel how much smoother that is? Great job! Remember, every time you master a difficult word like kernel, you're building your confidence and making English your own. Don't stop here. Keep practicing other tricky words because each one is a victory. The more you practice, the more fluent and natural you'll sound. And if you can master words like kernel, you can handle anything English throws your way. Now you know how to pronounce one of the most confusing words in English. Share this video with someone who could use the tip, and don't forget to subscribe to She's Fluent English Academy for more videos that help you master English. Keep going, you've got this!